captain has arrived.
And we are headed to Berlin. Shaky boy! Off to a smooth start.
Mate, we got into first, that's always a good sign.
Ain't no need to check left and right around here, brother. It's just us and the forest. What do you call this number?
Porridge.
Very creative.
Mate, that's how we do. We're creative around here.
Let's go. It might not look like it, but we are en route to the Big Smoke, Berlin. We're at a campsite about 45 minutes out of town. So we have to walk to a train station, which is about 1.5 kilometers from the motorhome. We're doing that now. We've seen a little bit of what's closer to the city when we explored a beautiful lake yesterday. Which was, I guess, a lot more quiet and calm than we were expecting. Today we're hoping to explore more of the city side and find some cool streets and buildings and just check out what Berlin has to offer, really. Let's go. Righty.
Let's go.
Haven't driven this in a few days. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you in Poland.
We'll see you in Poland.
I'm getting a little bit bogged.
Yeah, slap in reverse.
Can you wind down the window?
Yeah.
As I'm going?
Yeah. Good content, eh?
Of course this happened.
When we're filming.
You reckon I go hard or? Oh, let's try that again, eh?
Yeah. To Poland.
What can I do for you?
Just a little off the top.
A little off the top, eh? We'll see about that.